got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man? What's up, bro? What you running here? Got 12 Trinity Audio 12s, 270 amp hour C-Max on 4 of the new BMF Crossfire 12Ks. It's down. Yeah, you do. This thing's been playing all day long. All day? 2 days in a row. Yesterday I played for 5 hours straight, non-stop.
What do you want to do right there?
Alright, man.
Yeah, man. I ain't cutting up. I look like it. From the outside, yeah.
This shit crazy as hell. What's going on the news?
If it ain't justified, it ain't justified.
So y'all quit jumping on. She listening about the Chinese. I know he in my. Can't wait till the clouds gone and we get.
What I'll do it, man. I don't feel no heat coming out of there, man. Which Trinity audio stuff you got?
M series. Check this out.
Oh, man.
90 degrees.
Playing like this here.
All day long.
And how much power is that again?
4 12Ks. 48,000 watts.
On 10 subs, right?
12.
Man, let them know where they can find you on social media, man.
Just Joby Conjure. That's just my main handle, just on Facebook, you know what I mean? So I ain't got, all the other stuff, but
Okay. I'm sure they know this bill.
Yeah, it's all over social media, so, man, it was the first show that it came out, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's doing well.
I said it online, I ain't never seen it in person.
Right.
Yeah.
It's beating, man. Playing low.
Yeah, man. I ain't gonna hold you, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah,
Good thing, man.
Too, man.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.